go to Tickletown for so.
Town as well.
Tickletown at Buddy.
It's been a wonderful event. The kids have enjoyed themselves.
Yeah, I feel it's really well planned and everything is age appropriate. Did the sorting of the ball activity and she really liked that. She wanted to play again and again. And she also liked the craft of making those friendship bands and exchanging friendship bands and making those heart shapes with birds. So.
Take my daughter actually, and it's so interactive. It's so great for the kids. It's something that all the little ones would actually enjoy. You know, you feel free. You don't need to stress when you have Tickletown on the corner of your hands. So I think we should all take our kids to Tickletown.